First mover advantage by Indians for information technology. Third one, we are very happy as a windfall gain, population dividend. Nobody is having population dividend. If you see here, USA 0.8%, this is the assessment, 25-50. This time how countries are going to have population, either decrease or increase. USA plus 9.8. China is going to decrease 11%. And also Germany, same thing, declining. India is only the country which is going to add 14.8% during this time. We are very, very fortunate. And also Japan, 14.6, UK declining. Like this, if you can go through all these countries, there is a big problem of aging and also declining population. In this regard, as on today, if you see, from India, around 4 to 5 crore people are outside India. If you go to any country today, highest per capita income are earning by Indians. Any posh locality, even in America, if you see America, average income of America $55,000 to $60,000, whereas Indians $130,000, more than double. You go to any other, even Australia, any other country, same scenario is happening. As Mohanji Bhagwatji has rightly mentioned always, every couple should have 3 children. Fertility rate. This is very important. I am also saying always, we are crossing now slowly replacement level. Everybody, that is our culture. If all of us will think focusing on population by 2047 or beyond 2047, centuries together, that is India time only. Nobody can dominate on the global scenario. That is going to happen. So this is very, very important issue. Apart from that, there is a stable government headed by Narendra Modi ji. People like Mohanji Bhagwatji is preparing the ground. Values, ethics, I am very happy. I can say proudly, only family values are having Indian families, no other families in this world. Why I am saying this? We are all with a family. We are all thinking once marriage, not our decision, is the divine decision. Then naturally we are living together. Not only wife and husband, children, family. Family will give security, financial security, health security, personal security. So many problems it is solving. This type of culture, nowhere in the world except in India. I am proud of it. That values, Mohanji Bhagwatji always promoting further and further. I really congratulating. I am thanking him. Only my request to him, what type of society in future? If you see, India is moving very fast. 11 years, we are able to reach from 11th to 4th largest economy in the world. Next year, we will be 2nd largest economy in the world. By 2038, we will be 2nd largest economy in the world. By 2047, 100 years Independence Day, we will be number 1 economy in the world. There is no doubt about it, it will happen. For that, people like Mohanji Bhagwatji is going on promoting, preparing, without aspiring, expecting any positions, but all of us have to sync with his ideology, and then it is possible.